Hello guys. Today I am going to tell you about the bird who can chirp 25 tunes at one stroke. This bird is found in Tamil Nadu. This bird was declared as World Heritage Bird. And apparently it costs about 25 lakhs or $8,700 US. This bird might not look like it, but it can chirp 25 tunes. About 16 photographers took 62 days to shoot this video. Now I will play the video. Enjoy God's beautiful creation. Subscribe for more videos.